Now we can implement our conditional statements in Dev C++. Just you can look on overview. So for that, here just I'm going to be mentioning for hash include, and then after that using, and then after that just I'm going to be declaring the main function. So in that main function just I'm going to be using the conditional statement. So before that just I'm going to be explaining the problem statement, that what I'm going to be doing. Just I'm going to be doing checking the positive number, whether it's a positive number or not. Just I'm going to be taking the input from the user, and then just I'm going to be checking whether the number is a positive number or not. Based upon this condition, we will use the conditional statements like if else and the else if condition statement, how it is going to be working. So for that just I'm going to be declaring the variable, or otherwise int number, and then just you can ask the user to enter that number, cout, and then just you can read that number. Just this is the finish. Now you can check whether it's a positive number or not. So just you can apply this condition. If then it's a positive number, just you can print that number, cout. So just you can execute. After that just I'm going to be executing one more statement, that it is a cout. Yeah, just you can save this file and you can compile your program. It will give us an error because we haven't declared a semicolon over here. Just you can compile this one. It will ask the number. Now I'm just entering the file. So it is a positive number, and this is the last line that we are going to be using. So this is the how the if condition is going to be working, the if statement. Suppose just I'm going to be entering this one -5. So it will not execute the what are the statement present in that if condition. It will not execute. So directly it will terminate out of the if block. So what are the outside of the if block is present, then it is going to be executing that statement. Just you can observe over here, this is the last line. So according to that it is going to be working. Just enter, this is the last line. It will not execute the inside the if block statements it is present. So this is the how the if block is going to be working. So in that case scenario, just you can use it, else cout, just you can use it here, equals to. Now we will see that how it is going to be working. Just you can compile this one. Now I am going to be executing 4. So if condition is satisfied, so now it is going to be printing the positive number. So for that just you can check it whether it's printing negative number or not, -4, and then after that it is going to be giving as a negative number according to that. So this is the how that things is going to be working, the if and the else block. So now what we are going to be do, just we will deal with the else if condition statement. So just you can make it here, else if, just you can move this one condition like is equal to 0, else if. So here what you can do, apply the condition. If the number equals to 0, then it will go to here this statement, and the what are the statement present in the else if block, then it is going to be printing. So just you can print cout. So this is the how it is going to be working. Just wait, you can use it the handle as well. Now you can compile your program. According to that it's going to be 4 -4 not, just you can print 0. So this is the whole number. Just you can observe here, we just what are the statements present in that else if block, then it is going to be working according like that. So this is the how the if condition and the else if condition and the else block is going to be working. So now we will look upon that how the nested if else statement is going to be working. So just you can put it all the things in comment line. I don't want to these things, just you can put it up to here. So we will make the nested if else statements very clear. So what is this nested if else? You can use it if condition, and then there is a statement present in here, and then after that there is a else block. So this is the if else block. So now again in the if block it will present one more if else block. Here we can call it as a nested if else condition statements. So this is the how the nesting it's going to be done in. So in this way we are going to be using the nesting part. Based upon the problem statement, we are going to be using the nested if else statements according like this. So now just we will look upon that how the nested if else statement is going to be working. So just we will do one program and then you can easily understand how it is going to be working the nested if else statement. So for that just I am going to be removing these all the things. Yeah, we did the main function over there. Here now we will read one more input from the user, that it would be just we can assign, and then after that just you can ask the user to enter that number, and then after that cin just you can read that number. So now what you can do, just you can apply the condition if n not equals to 0, then you can use it. One more if else statement, if, then you can execute the one of the statements cout. Now here just you can apply the else condition, the negative number cout. So it's done. Now just we will come out of the here in the, after that just we will move to the else block. Here we can mention the else block cout, and then after that you can finally you can execute one thing, that is this is the last line. So just you can execute this program, and for that clarification just you can use it, and then after that here also enter. It's fine. Now again you can compile, and then you can compile this program once again just by using the enter the number, that it is going to be 2. So after that it will go to that condition is satisfied, number not is equal to 0. So based upon that again the number is greater than 0, so this is a positive number, and this is the last line it's going to be printing. So this is the how it is going to be working. As you can observe over here, just integer n and enter the number, and then we enter 2 not is equal to 0. This if condition is satisfied over here, and then it will go inside this function, and then according to that it is going to be working 2 greater than 0. So it's where it is returning it is a positive number. One more we can compile and then enter the negative number, and then we can check it. Yeah, now also it is working fine. Number not is equal to 0. Yeah, this condition is satisfied here. So and then after that it is going to be printing the negative number. So this is the how the nested if else is going to be working. So we will move to the switch case statement, and then we will look upon that how the switch statement is working.